Hello students, this is Kamna Kushwa and I will teach you English. Today I am going to explain the first lesson of your reader book. The name of first lesson is My Land and it is a poem and written by Thomas Davis. In this poem, the poet describes the glory of his motherland where he born. He loves his country very much and feels very grateful to be a part of his motherland. So, let us start. She is a rich and rare land. Oh, she is a fresh and fair land. She is a dear and rare land, this native land of mine. In this poem, wherever the she word is used, this stands for his motherland, means country where he born. So, in the first stanza, the poet says that his motherland or country is rich and unique, means special land. She is rare and full of freshness. He is glad that this is his native land. यहाँ पर पोएट ये कह रहा है कि मेरी मातृभूमि बहुत रिच और दुर्लभ है। यह भूमि बहुत प्यारी और सच्ची भूमि है। वह बहुत खुश है कि वह उसकी जन्मभूमि है। नेक्स्ट इज No men than hers are braver. Her women's hearts never waver. I would freely die to save her and think my Lord divine. In this stanza, the poet says that his countrymen or people are more braver than anywhere else, and her women's heart are very firm or strong while taking any decision. He would die happily to save his motherland, and after that he would like to connect himself with God. यहाँ पर पोइट ये कह रहा है कि यहाँ के लोग बहुत ही बहादुर हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं और यहाँ की वीमेंस भी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं जो कोई भी डिसीज़न लेने में कभी भी घबराती नहीं हैं और उन्हें अपनी मातृभूमि की रक्षा करने के लिए मरने में भी खुशी होगी. Now next stanza is She is not a dull or cold land. No, she is a warm and bold land. Oh, she is a true and old land, this native land of mine. In this stanza, the poet says that his motherland is not dull. She is bright and brave land. She is neither warm nor cold. She has a pleasant weather. She is very bold and true land. And he is very happy that this is his native land. यहाँ पर पोइट ये कह रहा है कि उसकी मातृभूमि, उसकी मदरलैंड बेरुखी नहीं है, वह बहुत ब्राइट और बहादुर है. यहाँ का मौसम बहुत सुहावना है, वह बहुत खुश है कि यह उसकी मातृभूमि है. नेक्स्ट इज Could beauty ever guard her and virtue still reward her? No foe means enemy, would cross her border. No friend within its spine. In this stanza, the poet explains that his motherland's beauty ever protect him and her virtue means good values, good qualities ever reward him in different ways. He wishes that no enemy would cross the border of his country and none of his friends would suffer from any curse. यहाँ पर मातृभूमि की सुंदरता उसकी हमेशा रक्षा करती है और इसकी अच्छी चीज़ें हमेशा उसे कुछ ना कुछ देती रहती हैं और पोएट ये विश कर रहा है कि कोई भी शत्रु उसकी मातृभूमि में ना आए और यहाँ के लोग हमेशा खुश रहें. The last stanza of this poem is Oh, she is a fresh and fair land. Oh, she is a rare and true land. Yes, she is a rare and fair land, this native land of mine. At last, in the stanza of poem, the poet again repeated about his motherland that she is full of freshness and beauty. She is unique and true land. Yes, she is a special land and very beautiful land. He feels very happy to be a part of his motherland. So, this is the glory of his motherland. आखिर में पोएट ये कहना चाहता है कि उसकी मातृभूमि ताजगी से भरी और बहुत सुंदर है. यह एक अद्भुत और सच्ची भूमि है. यह एक प्यारी भूमि है और यह उसकी भूमि की महानता है. So this is all about this poem. So students, please revise it.